like balls? Well, let me tell you that you can play with balls all day. These balls are very enjoyable and very flexible. They're easy to play with, hard, and bouncy. I was talking about these bouncy balls in my game. What were you thinking about? If you ever wanted to be colorblind for some reason, this is the game for you. Inspired by Portal and Half-Life, you are a robot in a post-apocalyptic world where you solve puzzles using colors and machines and just random shit, to be honest. The main puzzle mechanic is being able to combine colors such as red and blue to make purple. So far, I would say the game is about 80% done, but I need your help. I will not release this game until it reaches 500 wishlists by the end of August. So if you would please just spare 10 seconds to click 2 buttons, that will really be of help. So please wishlist, otherwise I will be forced to come over to your house. Anyways, if you didn't know, the game is split into 5 chapters, each with their own unique location. So far I've finished all puzzles and level designs, but I'll add some more details later. Chapter 4 takes place on an industrial ship, and I've struggled to make the level designs because, you know, who's been on a cargo ship before? Lots of these interiors include pipes and containers. I've probably spent the most amount of time developing Chapter 5, which takes place in a science facility in space. If you recognize these two things, yeah, that's the Sun and Neptune. The environment here really took up a lot of time, and I'm starting to worry that my computer doesn't like me. Okay, let's playtest this game and hopefully my computer doesn't explode. Another thing I've messed around with is the music. For the space levels, I wanted to do something more atmospheric and spacious. So I booted up FL Studio and played around with some random sounds like this synthwave retro sound. But I didn't want to make some random melodies being played. So I played around with some pianos and violins, and this is the raw, unfinished version of the main melody. Using this melody, I've made an orchestra for the epic finale that I won't spoil, but here's a preview. Now there is quite a big issue in Colorblind. There isn't any action, and it can make the game quite long and boring. So it's boss battle time. So I asked politely for my friend to draw a big chunky robot. This boss battle will take place in Chapter 3, deep underground in a cave. I've made some animations for the robot to swing its hammer and to fire projectiles, and here's the result. I won't tell you how to defeat this boss battle, but it was really fun making it. Roses are red, violets are blue. It's time to add Steam achievements. You. Steam achievements are like medals that players can obtain to look cool, you know? To add Steam achievements, I first have to hack into the Steam networks, design a few achievement logos, and voila, I can now obtain Steam achievements. There are only 5 achievements in the game so far, each being obtained after completing a chapter, but I'll definitely add some more. Now if you're a hardcore gamer like Ninja, Dream, or T-Series, you will probably know what speedrunning is. Basically, it's about running with speed. So I added a tiny stopwatch at the top left corner of the screen that you can enable in the settings. Be sure to wishlist Colorblind on Steam so we can hit that 500 wishlist goal. It's just 2 easy clicks. And if you would consider hitting that big red subscribe button to help me pay for my coffee, that would really mean a lot. And comment if you have any suggestions, I'll happily reply. And yeah.